Okay, there we go. Turning it down. That's much more better. So, hello. I'm back. I'm using my real voice now because the first beginning I didn't know how loud it was gonna be, but now I know how loud it's gonna be, and I am all worth it. Oops. They jump so cutely. So I checked out all the animations earlier, and I love it. I love them. They're so cute. Okay. I've decided it is a she. She might be my new favorite. And we're gonna go buy her a pet because Rose has a plushie, and Winter has Chewy. And yeah, I'm gonna go buy a pet for her because, I mean, my horses, they need their own pets. My goal is to get to at least 9 horses. Or 5. I just need 2 more horses to get to 5. So, yeah. And one of those 5 will be Spirit because I could afford his apple, but then also, bad part about it is I can't put leg wraps on this horse. But I mean, she wouldn't look good with the leg wraps. I mean, she does. She's kind of rocking the saddle and outfit and stuff. She's kind of rocking it. I mean, she's not like rocking it like, yo, I'm like thebomb.com rocking it. But I mean, she's kind of rocking it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to Fort Pinta, and we're gonna buy ourselves a pet. And I don't know what pet I'm gonna buy her, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. If you wouldn't mind, I'm stuttering like this. I just hurt my hands so much. So I'll be right back. Oh, I am here, and I am prepared. Chewy, you coming with me? So yeah, I don't know what pet I should. Girl, oops. I don't know. Lift your head up. Lift your head up. Come on, stop grazing. You're grazing at nothing. I don't know what pet I should get her. She looks like she would have a bunny. So, I mean, bunnies are mischievous. I was gonna get her, like, I don't know, fox, but we're getting her a bunny. What bunny suits her? Because bunnies are not normal. Oh, he just okay. He just disappeared. Oh my god. None of these look like, okay, the bunnies don't suit her at all. Do the dogs? Do you suit her? Just kidding. I can, like, afford all of these. I'll be right back after I get done deciding. Little keyboard, my old keyboard that came with my Mac computer. So, I'm sorry, I'm eating, so I'm hungry. I'm eating cause I'm hungry. Anywho. So, I'm thinking of getting this one. And if I get it, I will have, what? $3.89, I'm pretty sure? Yeah, $3.89. So, I'm getting this one. I'm scared. I mean, what if it doesn't suit her? It's gonna have to. Stubborns. Oh, I said 89, it's 86. My bad. I got it. Thank you, kind and weird lady. So this one does not have a turn on and turn off button, so we're all good. Oh my god, I got it. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it doesn't matter how it looks. Excuse me. It doesn't matter how it looks on the horse. I mean, you know, like how I'm gonna make his personality. How I'm gonna. I know what oh, you're so cute. You're a good friend. I know what, me and, Brooke East Street, we do our courses named by their the first part of their name. So her name will be Fire. Rose Winter's name is Rose, and Winter Wish's name is Winter. So yeah. The party at the dance floor. Oh my god. Yeah. So I will be making it a boy. His name will be Well, comment down below what his name should be. And I took it out, and I've already decided that this will be a girl, so make sure you go watch the part where I got her video before you watch this video, because they don't know what I'm talking about. Instead of being like, I'm sorry, I'm hungry. Instead of being like, oh, what's this girl talking about? I love how it jumps. I love how it jumps. I'm sorry. So, you know, it stops. It's beautiful. So I think I'm going to end this video here. So comment down below. Oh my god. Comment down below if you like. Oh my god. Comment down below if you want to see more. And don't forget to smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys. Thanks for you're so cute.